Voor de Limburgse Circulaire Innovatie Top 20 zijn we vandaag in Maastricht bij Slow Company en praten we met Lily Pepper. Zij doen mee in de categorie Circulaire Start-up.
So my name is Lily Pepper. I'm originally from Germany, but I've lived in Maastricht now for 3.5 years. Been doing my bachelor's here and now my master's in sustainability science. And yeah, I founded Slow about 1 year ago, originally with the idea of just bringing sustainable fashion closer to people and coming up with a solution for that. I'm just super passionate about circular economy. I just see that as the future. I think there's no way around it anymore. I think fashion as well is just a major component of this. I mean, we talk a lot about plastics and fashion is a lot of plastics and it's a lot of disposal, it's a lot of planned obsolescence with just clothing is bought and discarded a week later. So there's so much waste, but for us who are so much fan of the circular economy, that is a resource and that is also an unnecessary thing that is happening. So yeah, that is something that has to change, and so we combine that, and that is Slow. And now we're trying to open up a circular fashion hub combining all the elements of circular fashion together. So sustainable brands, but also reselling clothing, recycling clothing, repair services, workshops for repair, everything that comes to mind when thinking of circular fashion.
We talk about it a lot. Even then we don't all do a lot with it. Even the young people still go to the main shops, to the main stores. Why is that? Is it too hard, too much effort?
Yeah, I think that is precisely what it is, and I think that's what we're kind of aiming at, is that psychological reason why people currently don't engage with sustainability. Even as you say, we have the habits of fast fashion and we have to change our habits. So we don't have fancy technology, but that's what everyone wants to see. So our challenge is not per se changing behavior, it's convincing people that there's a way to do it, and our steps to that are making it super easy for people to access it, making it super attractive for them to use it, but then convincing others that you don't need technology to achieve that in this day and age where technology is everything. I think that's the real challenge for us.
In 2 or 3 years, when will you be happy? When your first shop is opened, or?
Yeah, definitely when the first shop is opened, when we see a bit of success for that formula we're trying to create. So when we really see that people that originally bought fast fashion start to come to us. So definitely when the first hub store is open. So yeah.
And then the rest of Europe.
And then the rest of Europe, of course.
I wish you all the luck with it.
Thank you so much.